up everyone, we're back in Ireland. Big day for us today. We have the S15 pretty much finished and ready for our first dyno pulls and testing hopefully later on if everything goes good. Perfect. Oh my god, whoever wins this is going to be one lucky person. Wishing you all the best of luck. Get yourselves on luckydaycompetitions.com. $19.99 per entry, and it's closing I think around the 12th of July. So best of luck. Whoever gets it, you're getting one serious car. This car is ready for competition anywhere in the world. As we said before, tickets are open worldwide. Lucky Day are going to ship the car to wherever you are in the world. It's an amazing prize. I'm proud to be a part of it. Best of luck. I'm very excited. Very proud of the car that we created. What a machine. Look at this thing. It's an amazing car.